Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog at Mommy's Corner. So in today's vlog, currently I'm walking to a matatu station because I'm going to catch a matatu to go to town because there's some stuff I'm going to buy. Actually it's only one thing, but I could not get it in any shops around our village, so I'm headed to town. From my home to town normally is just 20 minutes, so that is where I'm headed currently. Also, I'm going to see my aunt who is not doing so well. That is something else I'm going to do. And after that, I was thinking of going a little window shopping to go and buy a few, not buy, but see the prices of a few things that I've always wanted, because I'm that kind of person who, if I want something, even before I have the money for it, I tend to go and look at the prices of things, compare it to few places. Like I can check it online and then compare it to maybe in a shop. So some things I've seen it online and their prices, I'm trying to see finding it in a shop would be cheaper. So that is one thing that I'm going to see. And also check out Rupa Mall in Eldoret CBD. I have never been there. I always just pass by because I've never found a reason to go there. But window shopping is also a good reason. So I'm going to do that. So let's get to it. Our horrible roads. Currently at the bus stop waiting. Hopefully I won't have to wait for long, because sometimes it can take up to 20 minutes for a matatu to arrive. So hoping it comes soon. But I saw some students from the high school were leaving today, I guess, for school fees. So hopefully there'll be plenty of matatus because there's a lot of customers. Okay. Popped into the supermarket and was just checking out these really cute notebooks, and I've got to say, but looking at the prices, I was kind of surprised because I didn't realize notebooks were that expensive. But anyway, looking at the cuteness, I definitely loved the one with the animals. This one with the animals was definitely my favorite. Should I ever consider buying one, I'll definitely take one that colorful. Love the pattern on this ball. I had to just show you guys. There was a table I wanted to DIY. It had, like, it was made of wood, and then this was like on top and on bottom, and this is the exact size. So when I actually get around to doing it, I will definitely come for this. One of them is only 550 and I'll only be needing 2 of them. So yeah, hopefully it will be there in future, and I'm definitely gonna come for them. Like, oh my god. And it's not glass. It's like very heavy melamine. Love it. Looking at everything that I window shopped at, the only thing I can say for sure is that interior decoration ain't cheap, darling. It ain't cheap. But at least they're cute, and some of them actually will last for long. So that's the only good thing. plate is actually not white. It's kind of a baby pink. If you can see it compared to the rest of the plates, it's not actually white but pink, baby pink. I love this set because it's melamine. It's not glass and it's not plastic, but it does not look like it's not glass. So when I do move out from home, I'll definitely come for this. How gorgeous are these plates? And they are actually also melamine. You know, at first I thought they were glass until I touched them and realized, oh my god, it's not glass. So wow, love these plates. They're so gorgeous. I forgot to show you what I went to get from the supermarket, which was diapers. And this was the last diaper that I had before I went for the ones that I currently have, and it was my favorite. Please ignore my beautiful horrific hair. I'm gonna fix it soon. Good morning. So before I start washing utensils, I have this OCD kind of thing where I have to arrange everything together, group everything together before I start washing. For example, cups go together, spoons, knives together, plates together, and any other thing that is like that I cannot really find a group together. So you will definitely be watching me carry out this OCD type of thing. So my storage ran out while I was in the middle of washing utensils, but I managed to finish, and this is the final results. This is our traditional dish rack that is situated outside because, well, the sheer size of it. Hello guys, good afternoon. So I'm currently headed to the salon to have my hair blow dried, and then somewhere in between the week I'll have it braided. But I'll definitely show you both the results of before it's blow dried, after it's blow dried, and also after it's braided. So stay tuned. Before I get it blow dried, it was halfway done, and it was so painful that I had actually to take a break and let someone else have their hair blow dried before we could continue. Your girl was so hungry. I just had to pop by a local fry stall to get some chupo. My hair no longer defies gravity after the blow dry. Evening stroll. This is the hair. Was it according to my vision? I'll definitely insert a picture. I'll say probably not, but we have to consider two factors here. I had very little hair, like 2 bunches, and to actually achieve that I needed almost 4 to 5, so that is one factor for this. And the person who did it to me, who did the hair for me, had like almost 0 experience. So I'm going to say when you put that into factor, I'll have to say it turned out great.